Really excited to bring you some practical information on how to pull oil samples using a vacuum pump. Allan's going to show us how to do that right now. So now Allan's going to tell us about the vacuum extraction method.
Okay, we're going to use the same components or same stuff here, which is a 001500. Comes with the hose, comes with a sample bottle, shipping container, and then the fill out form, like the other one. And also a shipping bag with the address of where you need to send it. And we're also going to use the 5907889 vacuum pump, which looks like this, which can also, this vacuum pump comes with the probe. If you can get to the component that you want to take a sample of, you can use this instead of the hose probe. Okay? We're going to use the dipstick area.
Allan, I have a question. If you decide to use this with the port, how do you have to do a clean extraction first, or a dirty oil extraction first, and then use the port?
You should do one, but I'm gonna do this just to show you as this machine being down and we couldn't start it, and it's just sitting there. So we'll just say that they want the sample, and we're just gonna take the sample for instructions and showing you how to use this.
Perfect.
You should use it clean out the bottle.
You can start over.
And the only reason why I'm doing that because I don't want to waste all the bottles.
Understood.
Okay, so first thing we're going to do, as usual, like the last time, you mark it, and this is going to be for the engine. Take this off. You have your hose here, which is in a plastic bag to keep it clean. And you're going to take this, cut it to the length where this dipstick is. The easiest way to do it is pull the dipstick out, lay it on a flat surface, measure it out, and you want to go a little bit further than what you actually need. So I'm going to go probably about that much further, that way I have leeway to use the pump. So you cut it off. You put a sample bottle inside the back. Make sure it's good and snug. Loosen this up so you can slide your hose in there. Slide your hose in there until you can see it. Doesn't have to be clear at the bottom. Make sure this is tight. What I like to do is I like to usually test it to make sure I'm getting a good vacuum, which I am. Insert the hose into your tube here. Just hold it and start pumping. And once it starts, it should keep a vacuum in there, and you just let it fill up until you want it to get to the correct level, which is, like I said, which is right here. That's plenty. And if it stops flowing, you just pump it up a little more. Once it's there, you just take it out. Whatever is left in that tube, it'll suck it up and bring the rest of it in there. Pull it out. Unscrew your sample. Cap back on it. Stick it inside your container, and then you fill out this form like the last time we showed you. And also remember to put that form in there, because if you don't, cab won't know what it comes off of. Once done, this cap on here, put it in your shipping bag. You send it off.
Perfect. So, Allan, is there anything we need to know about keeping the vac pump itself clean?
Yes, that's the big question. Pull this out, the hose out, and sometimes that O-ring right there will have residue or those little ports. Take a clean rag, just wipe it off, like so, and you can reuse it.
Perfect.
Also on this machine, you can either use the vacuum pump tube, or you can use the probe port. This particular machine has one. So either way, you're gonna get a sample. Just you can use that one or the vacuum. This is your final drive on this particular machine. As you can see, it's got 2 plugs. One of them shows the level of the oil, and the other one is for your drain. So what you would do, you take this line and set it up here to where it's level. You would take that plug off and use the vacuum one, because you can't use a probe on this. So you would use your vacuum pump to collect the oil.
Perfect.
Plates on it. I'm pretty sure that's where it's at. And this is your transmission area. It's in the back on this machine. In order to get to your probe, check your transmission. You take this plate off, and there should be a probe spot on there where you can get your sample.
What if there wasn't a probe?
If there wasn't a probe, then you would have to use the vacuum one, which is the area where you fill the transmission up, which this one I'm not sure where it's at.
Gotcha. Okay.
But you would go to where you fill
the fill tube.
The fill tube, correctly, and use